Do Hard Money, they're with you every step of the way, from the, getting the property evaluated to actually closing the loan, and then even throughout the renovation process. The support has been really great. Hi, welcome to Clio Street. I have 2 kids. My husband's in the Navy, so I work full-time. I work in accounting, trying to get into real estate part-time, hopefully full-time. I've always been interested in real estate and knowing that property is how you build your wealth and how much land you own, not necessarily how much money you have. We're in New Orleans, but we're right outside of the city center, but we're close to Metairie, which is a popular area. There's a lot of restaurants. My business partner found it, and it took us about a month. It was actually a HUD property, and within a week we had it under contract and ready to go to close. And then the kitchen we brought from the back of the house up to the front, and we actually made this complete open floor plan. This actually was a bedroom, so there was a wall here. We had to tear it down. Not a full gut, but we had to replace subflooring. We added 3 windows. We added a master bedroom closet and just made the master bath bigger and made them a lot nicer. Do Hard Money, they gave me the opportunity for my first flip, which was a really huge deal. And that led to the second, and now I'm on my third. So this is the first bedroom. We actually added subfloor and hardwood floors and painted everything. And that was really the only thing we had to do it, besides light fixtures. It gave you knowledge. It kind of helped you in certain situations, and it just gives you a little bit more confidence to continue. Credit was never an issue, but it was, like 600s or mid 600s. So I mean, it's not the best because of course there are lenders out there wanting more, but Do Hard Money was able to provide me opportunity. Do it. Don't hesitate. I know there's a lot of, negativity out there, but they really do give you all the tools you need and give you the opportunity to jump in this business. Don't give up and go with your gut feeling, and always be willing to work with others. Teamwork makes the dream work.